Yeah, it's Love Craig the car guy again. Back at you guys with another exclusive video. So we got a brake job on this 2019 Cadillac XTS. Okay guys, so I want to pretty show you how to remove the caliper and replace your brake pad. Okay, I want to make it pretty simple and easy for you guys. Okay, so first of all, what we gotta do, guys, we gotta remove these right here. Okay, we gotta remove these pin and this hardware right here. Okay, we gotta remove this pin right here. We gotta slide out the pin with our pliers. You gotta get our pliers, guys. Okay, and remove the pin just like this. You know, we knock it out, remove the pin, guys. So what you gotta do is sometimes you gotta knock it out with something like this. You know, just tap it out pretty light because you don't want to damage the caliper. Okay, so we remove the pin like this. Okay, to get the pad out, and then this hardware just easily removed too. So remove that and then remove the next pin right here. See, then gotta remove these pin. These caliper they work totally different. Okay, guys. So please like and share and enjoy my video, guys. Okay, enjoy my video, support the channel and stuff. So the brake pad now, what we gotta do, guys, is use a long screwdriver. Use a long screwdriver like this, and we're gonna squeeze in the piston. Squeeze it in like this. Okay, okay. Squeeze it in. We gotta push them back in. That's you know. Then we gotta remove. Once we squeeze them in, once we squeeze it in, guys, then it's not gonna come this way. Well, you gotta remove the whole caliper. But we have to remove these before. That's it much easier. Okay. So what we gotta do is just use my gun. My gun right here. It's on 21 socket, and remove the bracket. Okay, 21 volts, 21 volts, and to get the pad out, now, guys, we gotta lift it up like this. We gotta take it off like this to get the brake pad out. Okay, you gotta take it off like this. Pretty nice and easy. So you can just easily slide it out just like that. Slide it out just like that. Also, get rid of this one too. So I'm just waiting on the new pad to come and put it up back. Okay, pretty easy, guys. But make sure you remove the spin before you take this down. Although you can do it either way if you want, but I just do it this way, much easier. Okay, and to put back. So I'm gonna show you how to make sure when you get the new pads to replace the new pad, what you gotta do is simple. Just example, I don't have the new pad as yet, guys, but when you get the new pad, what you gotta do, you gotta simply to slide it back in like this. Pretty easy. Let me show you. Pretty easy. Just set it like this, sideways, and you just slide it back in like that. Boom. Just slide it back in. Just, just like that. Slide it back in. Once you slide it back in, you're gonna use this now to hold it in place. You're gonna use one of the pins to hold it in place. You gotta use one of the pin to hold it in place. That means you don't have any trouble to put it back up. Okay. All right, guys. You got the pin right here. Now you gotta slide it in. Make sure the pin hold the pads pretty carefully. Put the pin in. Once you got the new pad, you use the pin to hold the new pad and to tighten it back up. Pretty easy. Okay, see? Nice and easy, guys. You see that? Just want to show you because I don't have the new pad as yet, so that's how you get it back in. But you gotta make sure you slide it back in nice and easy. Okay, guys? Thanks to like, share, and subscribe. I got a oil change and maintenance oil change light to do on this car soon as I finish the brake. So I will show you guys how to get that done also. Okay, get the oil change maintenance light soon as I finish this brake job. But that's how you do a brake job on a Cadillac XTS. Okay.